Hi, I'm attorney Tom Lamb in North Carolina. In this Asbestos News Minute, I want to tell you about a bit of an unusual case wherein the trial court judge modified the jury verdict in a case that was decided in July of 2007. This action by Milwaukee County Circuit Judge Richard Sankovitz came in October 2008, and this judge, who had had over 200 trials under his belt, said this is the first time he had to intervene and clarify a jury verdict to get to the right result. By so doing, the widow of Steven Lemberger, who died at age 55 of mesothelioma, will get to recover the $1.1 million that the jury awarded to her for the death of her late husband. In more detail, Judge Sankovitz believed that it was the fault of himself as judge and the lawyers with regard to their jury instructions, which caused the confusion whereby the jury found the defendants liable with regard to negligence for the asbestos exposure which caused the mesothelioma, but, and here's the unusual part, Mr. Lemberger also had lung cancer which was attributed to his cigarette smoking, and they thought that, the jury that is, thought that he should be 95% responsible for his medical costs and lost wages as regards the lung cancer. But the jury instructions did not clearly delineate between the lung cancer caused by smoking and the mesothelioma caused by the asbestos exposure at two work sites where Mr. Lemberger worked in the past. Judge Sankovitz therefore stepped in to clarify, and he said he strongly believed that the jury meant to distinguish and understood the difference between the mesothelioma caused by asbestos, and for that the defendants, which were at trial General Motors and Honeywell International, the successor in interest of Bendix, and the exposure was to brake pads at the work sites. He said the jury wanted those companies to be held liable and to pay the $1.1 million to the widow, and that the 95% responsibility for medical costs and lost wages had to do with the cigarette smoking, and that was a matter of the responsibility of the plaintiff and the subsequent lung cancer which he developed. Again, a bit of an unusual twist, but a commendable move by the judge to get to the widow of Mr. Lemberger the compensation which she rightfully should get for the loss of her husband. For more information, visit asbestoslegalwatch.com. Thank you and have a good day.